Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2014 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 in red rock metallic on black interior. So we'll start over at the trunk area here. I'll let you have a look. So here's the trunk area. We've got the piece here that goes over the convertible top. If you'd like to have that installed, it is there. Have a look in the seams. Very nice and tidy car, as you can see. We'll go ahead, we'll close this up. We'll have a look from the back. It's got the nice ZL1 unique spoiler, so that's unique to the ZL1. We've got the ZL1 badging there on the side. We've got the rear reverse sensors that are built into the bumper, and we've got dual exhaust. So there's two ports here. I don't know if you can see, but this does have the NPP actuator right there. So it's got performance exhaust on each side, so that's great. So those dampers will open and close automatically based on RPM and vacuum. So here we are at the rear wheel. So we've got the ZL1 wheels, which are unique to the ZL1. We've got brand new Continental tires on there, nice painted rotors, and ZL1 calipers as well. So over at the passenger side, we've got the nice leather insert that has the baseball stitching, which accents greatly against the piano glass black finish there. We've got our power locks, power windows, our chrome handle, and we've got the Boston premium audio system there as well. Here's your ZL1 kick plate. As you can see, it's in great shape. And here's your passenger seat. So we've got power fore, aft, up, down, power recline. We've got nice red baseball stitching with the Alcantara insert. Have a look at the condition of the seat. It's in really good shape, as you can see. And we've got the ZL1 embroidered in the top of the headrest there. To gain access to the rear seat, we just pull here on the back of the seat and have a look at the condition. It's in really good shape, as you can see. The Alcantara looks nice. Nice red baseball stitching. Some speakers in the back panels as well. So that's great. So we'll go ahead, we'll close this up. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and tidy, looks good. So here we are, we've got Alcantara that goes across the dash here. Have a look at the rest of the dash, it's in great shape. And we've got our ZL1 badging there as well. In the glove box, we've got the wheel lock key, so no books with this one. We've got the nice jet style vents here with the chrome insert, looks great. And we've got the tweeters on the door panels as well. So we'll just hop out, we'll close this side up. We've got the auto dimming mirror with the defrost built into the mirror as well. And I'll just start at the back and we'll scan down this side of the car. Looks great. Awesome. So here you are at your front wheel. So again, it's, the nice unique ZL1 wheels, ZL1 calipers, painted rotors, and brand new Continental tires on there. So over at the front, we've got the HID projector Xenon headlights with LED daytime running lights. We've got fog lights down below. We've got the ZL1 badging there. We've got the unique ZL1 air dam that can only be found on the ZL1. And then under the hood, we have the V8 6.2 liter engine, which is 580 horsepower supercharged motor with paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters as well. We've got the strut tower brace that runs along the top there. And as you can see, everything's nice and neat and tidy. Looks good. So we'll go ahead, we'll close this up. We've got the carbon fiber, exposed carbon fiber insert here with the air dams. Looks great. And we've got the ZL1 badging on each side. So that's great. In terms of issues, let's have a look, see if we can find any stone chips. Looks pretty good, pretty clean. There's one little tiny mark right there. And I think that's about it. Looks good. So we'll just shift around this side. We'll have a look at this wheel. Here's your other front wheel. So again, nice unique ZL1 wheels, large brakes, so large rotors, ZL1 calipers, and Continental tires. And same thing back here. Looks great. So over at the driver's side, we've got our power mirrors on the door. We've got our power locks, power windows, chrome door handle. Again, Boston premium stereo. Red baseball stitching that runs along the leather, the trunk release there, and then here's your ZL1 kick plate. So it's in pretty good shape, as you can see. And then the driver's seat, we've got power fore, aft, up, down, and recline. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks good. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and clean. And let's get in and we'll fire this one up. There we go. Great sound to the ZL1, very deep sound to it, sounds great. In terms of kilometers, we have 35,868, so nice and low, no warning lights, no issues on the dash. On this side here, we have our cruise control buttons. On this side here, we have our source, so you press in for source, voice command and telephone controls, hang up of your telephone, mute, and our volume controls on this side. We've got our plus paddle shifter here, our minus paddle shifter here, and as you can see, we've got nice baseball stitching that runs along the Alcantara finished steering wheel with the ZL1 badging there. On this side here, we've got our automatic headlights. We've got our tilt release here, so that's tilt steering wheel. We'll just lock that back into place. And then on here, set clear, let's see, so that's these buttons here control your menu. So as you can see, we can change through the different fields there by pressing the menu button there. On this side, you've got your wiper control, and then down here we've got our heads-up display control. So I'll just turn off the lights for a moment so you can see. There it is. So we've got our heads-up display on the windshield, and then we've got our turnkey start with 2 keys and remotes. So it's got lock unlock, remote start, trunk release, and panic. And then over here we've got our radios. So if I hit just hit menu, hit home, so you can see the options. You got USB, config, destination, quick, FM. So we've got AM, FM, Sirius XM radio. And then over here we've got navigation, so full factory nav. If I put it in reverse, there's your backup camera. Move that out of the way. We've got heated seats in the center of those buttons there. That's your fan speed. This is your temperature control. And then down below we've got the gauges. So oil pressure, battery, oil temperature, and kPa for the blower. And then in the front here we've got our mag ride suspension. So we've got touring or sport, and then we've got traction control on and off. And then in here we've got a 12-volt socket. Just put that back into park. There's your 6-speed automatic shifter. We've got cup holders here, emergency brake, and then we've got the console here with the 12-volt socket, USB, and a line in. So we'll just go ahead and we'll put the convertible top up so you can see the operation. Here it is. And then we'll just lock it in place. Put up the rear windows, put up the front windows, and let's just hop out with it running and have a look and a listen. Great sound to this machine. There it is from the front. Sharp looking car, and we'll just scan down this side. Looks great. Let's have a look at the convertible top. As you can see, it's in really good shape. No rips, no tears, no issues. Looks good. Love the sound of the exhaust on this car. Awesome machine. There you have it, folks. 2014 Camaro ZL1 here and available at MunroMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.